The purpose of today's video is to actually show you how to apply the Stormdrain medallions. It's very important to do this because it helps remind people that, you know what, nothing is supposed to go down storm drains, only stormwater. It helps protect our water quality and helps protect our wildlife. So let's get started. I found the perfect storm drain to apply the medallion. As you can see, there's no raised lettering. However, if there was, you could always place the medallion next to it on top, on the concrete. It's also a gorgeous day. You need to let the medallion dry with the adhesive for at least 2 hours without any rain. So that's something else to consider. You're going to need a wire brush to clean the top of the storm drain. You'd also have to do that with the cement. Once you think you've got most of the debris off, go ahead and use a soft bristle brush and clear off any leftovers. The next step is going to be to apply the adhesive to the back of the medallion. It's pretty simple. You just need to follow the pattern. It's numbered. To apply the adhesive, you want to start up in the upper left-hand corner. Follow the pattern. It's numbered. And complete the application. Okay, we're ready to apply. So make sure when you put it on, you press down hard enough so some of the adhesive comes out from underneath the medallion. You want to make sure the ends are sealed. So here's an example of a storm drain where the medallion will not stick because of the raised lettering. In this case, you're going to want to place it next to the storm drain up top on the curb. The reason for putting it up top is so snowplows and street sweepers don't rip it off. Remember to make sure you clean the pavement, you wipe off the residue, and you accurately apply the adhesive. I hope you'll join our efforts in protecting our waterways. Be sure to visit SCARCE.org for more information and to get started. This project has been made possible through SCARCE and the DuPage Foundation. Thanks.